Hey guys! I am so excited to share with you how I made this beautiful, gorgeous silver wall mirror. I saw this from a lady that I follow on Instagram and she used it to decorate her home and it was so pretty. I fell so in love with it and I decided to just recreate my own. And now let's go ahead and get started. I got paint sticks of different sizes from Walmart. And here I'm just gluing them together to form a strong structure at the back that's gonna hold the mirror for the design. To hold the corners together, I used wood glue and craft sticks, and then some hot glue just to hold it in place. I will be leaving a full list of all the items used for this project in the description box below. I repeated the steps for all 4 corners. And remember, it's the large paint sticks that I use for the outer frame. And then I'm going to use another piece of the large paint stick at the middle. And then across from it, I used the smaller paint sticks. I paid for the large paint sticks, but then the smaller paint sticks are free. I went round again with more wood glue to secure the corners and edges properly, and then I left it overnight to dry. I spray painted it silver and then I kept to the side. And here I took trays that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be cutting out the outer edges because we don't need that, and we're going to be making use of the middle. I cut out these shapes, and that's what I'm going to be using to cut out the design from the trays. I used a pencil tip to actually make my mark, but you can use a non-permanent marker for this so you can clearly see the lines. And then I just cut out the shape. And I did this for all different kinds of shapes and different sizes. I used 4 trays for this project because I was going to cut a lot of shapes. And I would suggest that you do this over the weekend so you spread it out, because the tray is really hard and it's kind of difficult to cut when you're trying to make a lot of pieces. I cut out 4 pieces from a mirror reflective paper to cover up the sides that would show after the mirror has been glued on. After peeling it off and sticking it on, guys, I realized it wasn't gluing well because of the wood, so I would recommend that you do not peel it off. You just glue it on directly using a hot glue gun. This is the mirror that I'm going to be using that I got from the Dollar Tree, and this is the backing that came with it that I cut it off. I will be reapplying it on just to make sure that the back is protected before I glue it down to the middle of the design. I started off with these pieces and I'm going to make shapes out of them, and they're going to be for the corners of the design. You have to make sure that it flushes with the edge of the mirror. I glued the next piece by the side like so, and then I did that for all 4 corners. Now I took the next set of the pieces and I'm going to be gluing them somewhere around the middle of all 4 sides of the mirror. This is another set, and I will be gluing them on top of the other sets. If you notice the mirror shaking while I do this, it's because I placed something under there to raise it up to give me more room while putting on the designs. And then I glued on more shapes to add to the design until I was satisfied. I'll be using silver dessert spoons, and these are the parts that I'll be needing to form the frame to finish up the mirror design. When you're done with the first line, you turn the spoon to the other side for the second line, and starting from the middle, in between the first 2 spoons on the first line. And then the third line is going to start from the top. I made a fourth line also to look exactly like the second line. There were two things that I did. I switched up the mirror reflective paper for the tray. I cut out the tray and I just glued it on. It looks much better. And then I changed the way I placed these particular shapes for all four sides. Now I'm going to be gluing down hooks at these 2 points to hang it on the wall. And this is what it looks like. I really love the turnout of this wall decor and it looks so exquisite. And I used regular items like spoons and trays. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this idea, and remember to like and share. And also remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below. Do check them out and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.